Germany is overloaded, Poland is rejecting. But Czech factories, quietly hiring foreign workers in 2026. If you've been looking for a real opportunity in Europe, keep watching, because I'm about to break down exactly why the Czech Republic is the smartest choice for factory jobs right now. So why is the Czech Republic desperate for workers? It's simple. The country's factories are expanding, especially in automotive and electronics. The local workforce is aging, and Czech companies need fresh hands to keep up with EU exports. That's why more and more employers are sponsoring legal EU work permits for foreigners. Now, what kind of jobs are in demand? If you've got basic experience and you're physically fit, you're in luck. The top roles are media group of assembly line workers, packaging staff working in Czech factory, machine operator at factory stock, distribute, equally, factory workers, production line staff, assembly workers, entry-level machine operators, and packaging workers. No fancy degrees needed, just real effort. Let's talk money, because I know you want the truth. Average salaries range from around $900 to $1,400 per month. It's not luxury, but it's stable, legal, and includes full-time contracts. Overtime, possible. Housing, some employers offer help. Think of it as a stepping stone, not the final destination. Okay, how do you actually get in? First, secure a job offer from a registered Czech employer. Next, get work permit approval. Then, apply for a long-term work visa. Tip: always use official government portals or EU job platforms. Don't fall for agents promising shortcuts. That's a fast track to disappointment. Let's avoid rejection. Do not fake your experience. Don't trust agent-made contracts. Your CV has to match the job, and your employer must be registered and verified. Czech embassies check everything. Honesty wins here, shortcuts don't. So, who should apply? If you've got a background in factory or labor work, you're physically fit, and you're honest with your documents, you're the right fit. If you want an office job or a quick, easy fix, sorry, this isn't for you. Ready to apply safely? Head to government portals, official EU job sites, or verified Czech employers. I've left all the important links in the description below. Final advice: Czech factory jobs aren't glamorous, but they're real, legal, and achievable in 2026. If you're serious about working in Europe, the Czech Republic is one of the most practical options right now. Like, share, and subscribe to Visa Experts AIM. Comment Czech if you want the apply links and my personal checklist. Remember, your future in Europe could start right here. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Visa approval depends on Czech authorities. No visa is guaranteed.